Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you change your username on Fiverr. So first thing first, log into your Fiverr account. So once you're logged in, so under your profile, hit on your profile button, and under profile you'll see an option called settings. Click on it. So click on settings. So here, if you go down, so you can see that there is actually no specific option to change your username. You can only see here is full name and email address. So what you can do is, firstly, what we have to do is we have to deactivate your account first, and then use the same email address and create a new account with a new username that you want to. So that's the process. The first thing is you need to deactivate this account. So to deactivate this account, so make sure that there is no earnings or any amount or money on your account. If it is so, please transfer it or withdraw it. And once there is no money, nothing. So what you have to do is first you have to deactivate this account. So when deactivating here, if you go down, it's going to ask you for a reason. So what you do is choose this reason here under account. I want to change my username. All right, so mention here, so use this option here. I want to change my username and click on deactivate. So once this is deactivated, you should get an email from Fiverr saying that your account is deactivated. So this will release your email address from this account. So now you can just use the same email address and create a new account with your new username. And that's how simple it is that. So hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon.